what a beautiful city! I wonder, do they have a bank? Polley speaking.
Hello, receive an urgent message. The collectors won't be able to come to the bank today. Ensure protection by your own forces.
I got you. We'll do everything. Our city is quiet. There is nothing to worry about. Tusa? Hi. What are you doing here? Hi. Willie and I decided to organize a fair. And with the money we want to buy some seeds or the new plants for our park. That's great idea. Can I have a hot dog, please? Sure. It will cost you $1. Take it, please. Thank you. And you, mister? What would you like? How much will a cake and a sandwich cost? $5? I see. I'll come by later. I'm so hungry. Where should I get money? Here are the money. Give me a cake and a sandwich. Sure, here you are. Hello, police on the phone? No way! Is this a robbery? I'll be in a minute. Here is the trail. I'll catch up the thief now. Oh boy, it seems it's for me. Well, I give up. Don't you know that stealing is a bad thing? Do you? Please, forgive me. It won't happen again. Fine, we'll forgive you for the first time. But don't ever do that again. It was a beautiful sunny morning. The town lived its quiet life. Polley was sitting in the police station and quietly watching TV when the telephone rang. Polley's on the phone. Hello, Polley. Hello. Take down a telephone message urgently. What happened? Warn all the town dwellers without delay. A storm is threatening. There will be a strong wind, rain, and hail. Warn all the people immediately. It's already on its way to you. I got you. Thank you for the information. I probably need to tell all the town dwellers. Hello, Leah. Hi, Polley. What's the hurry? I've got an urgent storm warning. Be ready. The storm is threatening in our town. I understood. Thanks for letting me know. I'll go warn the others. Come quick. Attention. A storm is threatening in town. People, harden your homes and your cars. Go to the garage. Come quick. Attention. What he is talking about? He says there will be a hurricane. We urgently need to go to the garage. Yes, let's hurry up. Tusa, did you hear what Polley has said? Yes, it's just a nightmare. It's going to storm. Then hide quickly. And I went to the garage. Hi, Polley. Why aren't you hiding? Haven't you heard of the storm threatening? I'm about to, but I can't find my bunny. I hope he had run away home. Of course, but you'd better hurry up. If he isn't at home, call me and I'll find him. Okay, Polley, thanks. Meanwhile, the rain flooded the city. Water flowed down the road like a turbulent river. The next moment, Polley's phone began to ring. Yes, Polley speaking. Hello, Polley. Hello. Yes, Willie. What happened? My bunny is not at home. I'm so worried. Don't worry. We are friends. We will solve everything and help everyone. Oh, it's so hard to go by water. Where should I look for this bunny? To be continued. Is what you need. Yes, that's it. Are you sure this is safe? Something is hissing and already started forming.
Don't be afraid. The main thing is not to mix anything up.
What's that smell in the city? Patty, hi. Do you know what's going on? Hi, no. But it's clearly something strange.
I see. It's time to get all hands on deck. Attention to everybody. Urgent meeting at the police station.
What's going on?
I don't know. Maybe you do know the reason we met. Be quiet. Is the whole gang here? I see Fiona and Toma are absent. Do they really carry out experiments again? Guys, does everyone smell something strange? We urgently need to find its source until a disaster struck. Let's divide into 2 groups and get a follow.
It seems to me that the smell is enhancing. I feel it too.
Come quickly.
Ouch! Ouch, Fiona! What's wrong?
Run!
Do you see it? Yes!
Not only you see it. What have you done here? I've already told you that the experiments are being carried out in the lab. It's very dangerous.
Please, forgive us. We won't do this anymore.
We truly won't do this anymore. But then it worked out beautifully.
I have never seen anything like that before.
Time to clock out. Toma, sit down. I'll pick you up.
Thank you. You are a real friend.
A